Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Memories and Dreams on electric guitar. First, grasp the fundamental structure, including the key and overall tempo. Concentrate on executing clean arpeggios and allowing notes to sustain naturally. Employing delay and reverb pedals is crucial for achieving that signature ethereal, dreamlike quality. We will explore specific settings to enhance your sound. Mastering arpeggios is key to this style. Practice different patterns, moving smoothly across the fretboard to build finger dexterity and speed. Focus on connecting each note cleanly, ensuring there are no abrupt stops or starts. Developing strong melodic phrasing comes from deep listening and understanding the emotional arc of the music. Achieving the right tone is paramount. Start with a clean amplifier setting, perhaps adding a subtle amount of warmth. For delay, experiment with settings between 400 and 800 milliseconds to find what complements your playing best. Then, introduce reverb to create a sense of space and atmosphere, making your guitar sound truly expansive and dreamy. Consistent practice is essential for mastery. Begin by practicing at a slow tempo with a metronome, focusing on precision and timing. Recording your sessions can provide invaluable feedback, helping you pinpoint areas that require more attention. As your technique solidifies, gradually increase your speed, always maintaining clarity and musicality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.